The Materials Joining Innovation Centre is a not-for-profit innovation centre, and we have the mandate to help the Canadian welding industry compete on a global market.
There really are two distinct branches to MaJIC. So we have a civil engineering side, and then we have a welding materials testing side. I work on the civil engineering side of MaJIC. There's absolutely nothing like it. Seeing the satisfaction on the client's face is why I keep doing it.
We've been a real go-to in last-minute situations. You know, they contact us and say, listen, I'm in a bind, I really need you to do some tensile testing. End of day today, can you do it? And we've been able to do that. And I think that's been really kind of special over the years, that they know that they can contact us and we can get it done for them right away.
Some companies don't have the engineering resources that are needed to truly innovate when it comes to new products and new services. And that's where we come in. We can be those resources available to you just as you need us. So we do materials testing, from tensile testing to Sharpie impact testing, chemical analysis to metallurgical and microscopic analysis. Beyond that, we offer inspection and engineering services, procedure development, and applied research.
There really are no typical days at MaJIC, actually. It can be anything from going underground at the mine to helping people design a beam in their garage, doing a foundation design, or staying at the computer drafting. No day is the same because no project is the same.
We have experts, we have technical people that are able to, in so many different fields, provide assistance. So when it comes to innovation, that's the question. What can we do to help you?